Hello. I'm not sure what right now you are using Linux server or Mac or Windows. So what I'm showing you right now is on Windows. Okay. So you need Apache and Apache PHP and all the other things. MySQL of course. So what I'm using here is Laragon. Okay. So for the basic thing, here is Laragon. You see. This is the folder and this is nilam, right? And also in my browser, okay, let me close it. Also in my browser, this is my shared hosting cpanel, and you see public html. The domain is pointed to this public html. Here are all the files. If you see, I have all the files. And so here is also a public in my project. Okay, so this is my project file. All these files are inside the project, and here is also a public folder. Basically what happens when you by default install Laravel, every domain should be pointed to this public folder, but as it is for shared hosting, it is very difficult for some systems to point out to the public folder in case if it's your main domain. So what we did, we brought out everything, the index.php, if you see here outside. Okay, so you don't need to point out to this public directory. Okay, you don't need to do this. You need to point to this directory. You understand, the root directory. Okay, so what what is for Laragon? I'm using Laragon. By default, Laragon indicates index.php in the public directory. So what you need to do, right click for Laragon. I'm talking Apache. Here is configuration. Okay, httpd conf, site enables, all the things. Okay, so site enabled, here you see, for instance, my nilam.local.conf. What I did, if you see for other projects, okay, sorry, if you see for other projects, here is Apache site enabled. For instance, we have laraframe.local. So you see, this is pointed to laraframe then public, but as a shared hosting, we need to point out to this. See Laragon www nilam. I mean, this is for Laragon, right? For Jamp, you don't need to do anything like that. Okay, you just point it to your nilam or whatever the name is. Okay, so now the I'm going to show you the file. So this is the file. It is pointed out to nilam here. So I am here, not inside public. Okay, and so what is our web URL? nilam.local, in our local server. Okay, so nilam.local. Okay, this is how it looks. Check server requirements, check directory permissions, everything is 775. Okay, set up app environment. You do whatever you want to do. How you set up, next you place your database information. I don't have right now the database information, so I'm not. Okay, so let's go localhost / php myadmin. Okay, let's forget it. I need to. I just forget. Okay, so you create a database, and you just put the information here and click next, and all the things will happen one by one. So this is how it looks like. You see nilam.local, it is the same thing. Okay, if we just so for your kind information, just we are going to edit that .env file, and if we app install false, we are doing this for instance. So we are working with the older one. Okay, we are working with the older one. You see, it is coming here as well in a shared hosting. I changed it here, I changed it here, and it is working here as well in the C panel, in the shared hosting. It is working fine. Okay, so so again, if we change it, we just app install, we made it false, so we made it true again. So that means installation will be done. So this page is not obviously available. You see, it is working fine. I am not sure what is going on there. I just showed you on a shared hosting, right? I really appreciate how you just worked on it. You uh, what should I say? You just brought some real bugs, and we are very grateful to you. But in this case, I can confidently say this will work on every shared hosting. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.